what else could I tell you about myself? You know, it's hard sometimes to describe yourself. You know, it's like going in your Instagram and having to fill out that bio. You're like, okay, how would I describe myself? This is exactly how I feel right now. I'm talking to a camera, trying to explain myself and describe myself, but it's not always easy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is jasminesid. I thought I'd make just a very quick video to introduce myself for people who don't know me personally. For people coming back, thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate it. And for those of you that just stumbled on my channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and it's gonna encourage me to continue making more videos. So who's Jasmine? So I'm a business strategist, and when it comes to content creation, I'm the go-to person. I graduated in international business as a major. This is what I'm really passionate about. I do feel that there is no company right now that's very focused locally. There is a few, but I mean, like, technically speaking, even probably the raw materials are not even from here. So that's why I decided to go into international business, and I loved it. Okay, it was a great experience for me. I would recommend it to anyone. Another funny fact about me, or I'd say like an interesting fact about me. So another interesting fact about me is I speak 3 languages, mainly English, French, and Arabic as well. You will see me making videos in both French and English. Sometimes it's gonna be franglais, as we know it here in Quebec, meaning it's a bit of a mix of English with French, and I'm really good with franglais, honestly. Because if I switch from English to French, ce que je vais faire maintenant, tu peux pas savoir que je parle français, or the other way around. Tu peux pas savoir que je parle anglais. Puis quand je parle en anglais, ben, tu te dis pas elle parle bien français. It's the beauty of, you know, living in a province that's bilingual. Something else about me, I am super outspoken, very energetic. I love people, being around people, meeting new people as well, so networking is huge for me. People who know me know that I'm funny as a person as well. Just to give you an idea about my career path, I've been working a lot in the medical field lately. If you've listened to my last video, you know by now that I lost my job, and I'm now currently working on my personal brand being jasminesid. Other than that, I love traveling, spending time with my friends, as I said, going out, enjoying dinners. This is what I enjoy most, to be honest with you, food. I have kind of a love-hate relationship with food, you know? Like, I love food, but then I look at myself in the mirror sometimes, like, and I'm like, uh-oh, I just gained 20, 30 pounds. Okay, I'm, you know, exaggerating here, but you get the point. I love being surrounded by my friends and my family. I'm very lucky to have them in my life. If I'm doing this today and I'm still here today, it's because of all of them. They believed in me before I even believed in myself. Other than that, I enjoy reviewing makeup products, skincare products, any household products as well. I use a lot. So it's gonna be a channel mostly focused on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and also entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is huge for me. It's always been a very interesting component of my life and very interesting topic, and I want to share some tips and tricks with you guys, how to grow your channel, or how to invest in yourself, you know, how to take the time that you need, how to build a personal brand. It's very important nowadays. Remember guys, people want to buy from you, not from a business. They want people who they can relate to, okay? So this is why it's very important to focus on your brand. I want you guys to follow me on this journey. You're gonna see how I built my brand. And I said specifically build my brand because I'm still in the process of building my brand. Because keep in mind that I was an employee just about 3-4 weeks ago. So you're gonna be walking through this journey with me, and you're gonna see how things are gonna evolve. I will be giving you tricks. I do have a lot of expertise when it comes to business in general. So, you know, always feel free to ask me questions or come by. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of an introduction about me. There's a lot more to say, But if you do have questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will answer them very quickly. Feel free to also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, especially LinkedIn for professional reasons. Everything is going to be linked down below in the description box. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support and welcome to my channel. As I said, feel free to subscribe, like, comment. I always enjoy reading your comments, guys. And it's free as well, so feel free to leave as many comments as you want. Share this channel as well. If you feel that people are going to be interested in getting tips or watching reviews about products, beauty, makeup, content creation, feel free to share my channel with other people, guys. So thank you very much for watching and take care.